Harvest time is on. We're in the barley fields of South Shore Brewery here on the shores of Lake Superior, hence our name. We are on the Wisconsin side of the big Great Lake, growing what will be eventually our base malt. I keep on saying but we're very, very pleased and honored to be in this kind of capacity. We want the essence and the flavor of where we live to be in our beer. Unlike my competitors that all shop at the same grocery store, this is my grocery store. We have just as strict, if not stricter, parameters for this barley that will become our base malt, and all of us and all of South Shore's beers, not just one-offs or a seasonal or anything like that. We are 3.5 miles away from the gorgeous inland sea of Lake Superior. We are 4.5 miles away from our brewery, and we think it's just quite an honor and an undertaking. We've been at this since 2008. The learning curve was steep, but as every year goes by, working with beautiful people like Steve Galligan and Brad Gwid of Windy Acres Farms, they've been tried and true kind of partners in the process of raising high quality malting grade barley as base malt for the South Shore Brewery. We'll take a closer look at some of the kernels on this field known as 6-row robust, a nice heirloom variety. It grows well. We've tried lots and lots of varieties, but this heirloom variety that has been poo-pooed by many of the brewing elites on the macro scale because it just doesn't, for some reason, it just isn't part and parcel of the seed to macro brewery kind of business model. But it grows well in northern Wisconsin. We'll get over. I'll be surprised if this field doesn't yield upwards of 90 bushel an acre. But then again, there's 30 acres of it here. We definitely are one of a kind. If we can get harvesting that 90 bushels an acre, it'll be quintessential, nice.